Okay, so this is a report out of the Intel HackerLab project demonstrating the RealSense technology. You can see we have a RealSense camera up here that we're using for this innovation, this technology demonstrator. And what we're doing in this particular project is we're converting gestures into MIDI commands. MIDI is a musical instrument interface, allows the computer to control musical instruments, to play notes, to change settings, to turn lights off and on, whatever they want to do. So what we've done is we've installed a USB to MIDI converter. That's what this is. And this generates MIDI commands. This is the MIDI interface going into a metronome. This is a DB90, a standard musician's metronome. This normally, if you just push the stop and start button, would start clocking, but we've asked this one to use the MIDI interface so that it's clocking, it's taking its clocks from the computer. So when the computer generates clock pulses to it, it starts clocking. And this is our software logic, and it's lots of lines of code, but essentially what I'm doing is you'll see, I'll show you in just a minute, the computer will give me the position of all the joints in my hand. So I'm scanning through all those joints and determining if they're predominantly rising or falling. And if they're rising turns to falling, I start generating MIDI pulses. And then I do that, so divide that by 2, so it's only 1 pulse every stroke. So now let me get the computer let me reconfigure my camera so you can see this demonstrate. But I'll just compile the program, and it'll come up and running as it is now. And then I'll bring up the this is a viewer that came with the SDK, so you can see what the camera is seeing alongside my system picking up notes and generating pulses like you can see it's doing right now. So let me set up and show you the demonstration so you can see both clocks and the computer screen.